All right, what's up, everybody? Coattail Trader here, giving you just a market update for May 23rd, 2013. It's about 9:20 in the morning here on the West Coast, so I'm pretty much done for the day. I just wanted to go over what happened. I usually don't like to trade actually after around 8:30, 9 o'clock my time, just because that's lunchtime in New York, and it's just things are uh, things are just wacky. Not to say there isn't good trades. A lot of times I just don't trust it. So we can see a huge gap down from yesterday's close. Took a trade right in the morning, right off the open, about a couple minutes into it. Got my signal. I was in and out in the same candle, which was great. I got in. My signal was here. Um, as soon as this one closed, as soon as this candle closed, I jumped in. I got in it. You can see here for a point. Took it out. I didn't get in this one just because I usually only like to take one trade when the market opens. Maybe there was news coming out. There was also some stuff going on, and I like to wait for 10 minutes. I just saw that one and decided to take it, so I waited. I did not take this one because there was, again, news was coming out at 7 o'clock my time, so I just wanted to see what the market would have done. Uh, Obviously, it would have been a good trade. It would have worked out, but I didn't take it. I didn't take any of this. So the news came out about right here, and we saw the market pop. We didn't get a signal, and then we had our levels here. Market goes, decides it wants to go and test my zone here. It tested it, broke through, couldn't make it, broke through again. This was my signal right here. I did put an order in, but I didn't get filled because, as many of you know, I use limit orders. So what I'm doing is, when this candle closes at 40, I always put an order for the price right before that. So I put an order in at 39.75. As you can see, price never made it there, and that's the price you pay sometimes for trying to lower your risk. So I missed this whole run. So we waited and waited again. I saw this one. It came down. I didn't like the action here. Usually I like a little bit more follow through when it breaks my levels. So you can see over here, that's nice follow through. Even this one, nice follow through. Like this. This is just it's only one tick apart. I just didn't like it, so I didn't take it. And obviously it worked out. I didn't take this one either. I actually didn't take many of these right here. I waited, and then I saw a price coming up to this level. When I saw that, when I saw it break, I was waiting for my next candle close. It closed back down, broke underneath. For me, whenever this happens right here, whenever a candle closes above my level but then closes back below it before I get a signal, it automatically cancels this candle out for me. So I have to wait for another signal. So here's the signal. Here's the candle right here. Here's my entry candle. As soon as it closed, I put a limit in order. As you can see, 47.75 for a point, which I got pretty easily. And then I waited. I saw this happen again down here. I didn't. I was pretty much done for the day. I usually like to do 2 points. That's pretty much all I shoot for. Sometimes setups occur, but this one, had I taken it, would have been. I like to look and see what would have happened. This would have been a break-even trade because what I normally do is when I get 3 ticks above, I usually move my stop to break even, just in case price comes back against me, which it would have done here. So I would have got out for a break even, no win, no loss. I would have gotten a signal right here, and I actually wouldn't have gotten in here because it never came back down. I only wait one candle, so it never came back down in this candle. So that one wouldn't have worked. Never got a signal generated here. Closed above. New signal right here. Closed above again. And here's my next signal right here. Again, I would have missed the fill. This normally doesn't happen this often. I'd say usually about 75 to 80% of the time when the price closes, it comes back and gets me in. So sometimes in the last couple days, there was a 40-point move in the S&P. So I mean, it's been pretty crazy. So I would have missed this trade. I got no signal generated here, and then here's the next signal. This one I would have gotten in. 47.50. You see price came back down and tested it. So I would have been going for 48.50, which was easily hit right here in the very next candle. In the same candle, it would have been in and out in the same candle, which is always good. Then you can see price has come up, getting a little exhausted here, and that's pretty much it. So the next level that I would be looking for would be somewhere up here or this one. So the next level would be somewhere down there. So just wanted to go over that. That's the action for today. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to visit my website, coattailtrader.com, and ask any questions. Thanks.